hillbillies. Welcome with me, if you will, R.A. Hurricane, and the stupidest name of all, and Justin Ladd. We would like to say thank you to Joanne Fabric for providing that beautiful costume. Here he is, R.A. Hurricane. And Justice Ladd, give us a stink pose. They love him. They love him. Don't get too rowdy. He's an R.A. You might get fined. Look at him circle the crowd. Obviously, crowd favorites tonight. It's the first match. The standards are set very low right now. They'll slap in anybody's hand. I didn't know we could have hurricanes in Illinois. Tell you what, that's a smite. This ain't ballerina. All right. He's got a cape on. Don't screw with you, big guy. You got a cape. Ooh, big cape. He killed me. Hey, and their challengers that will face them are the Reader Boys. I thought they grew them big in Texas. Not the most popular boys. Oh, they're making fans now, doing the cowboy hats. You know, it says they weigh in at 200 pounds. That must be together. That's exactly right, if that. 200 pounds on a good day. All right, thank you. Whoa, we start off with double bulldogs. Look out. It hasn't even started yet. Break it up. I think they're okay. Whoa! I don't get those boys, but they apparently are down. Bang! Big smash! Body slam off the third rope. Look out, Kirk Davis getting in there, getting some order now. See if the rest can get this together enough to get a wrestling match started. Well, I think we need two guys in the ring on different teams. I'm not sure. R.A. McLean already feeling it in the ribs. Hit the bell, baby. This one's on. Here we go. Oh, that's a drop kick. He goes for the quick pin. One, two. He kicks out. Turns out it's going to take more than a drop kick to win this match. There we go. Oh, he's got him. Tried to. Backbreaker indeed.
Kick to the shoulder.
I wonder how many vertebrae a little guy like that has to begin with. Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, that's another big slam.
Over the shoulder slam.
Justice Ladd, he likes himself. That is true. Look out.
Feel it.
Oh! Aim is not his strong suit. There's a drop kick. Here we go, Marty. What's he going to do? Kicking him around. Picking him up. That's the legal tag. That's exactly what you want to do in tag team matches. Tag. Yeah, here we go. What? Look out! Double suplex. That's textbook, gentlemen. Woo! Marty and Robbie are in rare form. Look out, Robbie looks angry.
I don't know if he's getting up from this one. This could be it.
Those are not wrestling shoes, folks. He's wearing cowboy boots. He's the real deal.
Punch to the head. Punch back.
Here, Justice Ladd coming back. They're exchanging blows. Not a good idea
Great
with the big boy. How big a boy is he? Holy cow. Look out! I believe that's called the powerbomb.
It appears appears that sheer size sometimes wins over good moves.
You know, I believe that's true.
He's going for the throw in the ropes and
he missed. Here we go. We got Robbie's put on quite a fight against the bigger boy. There's his
headlock with the arm.
Spinning neck breaker.
Reverse twist slam.
Not too bad. We got another take. They're keeping Justice Lad in the ring. Where's this one going? Oh, they couldn't get him. Now, what is this?
Yeah.
This is a weird kind of wrestling, if you ask me.
They are deadlocked.
Nothing doing. Third time's a charm, people.
Nobody can get it. Oh, my God.
Look at that. What a move. What a move. What a move.
Anybody recover from that?
Oh, the crowd's loving it now. We still got two Reader boys in the ring. Justice Lad makes the tag. Here comes Olivet Hurricane. Oh, he's cleaning house. It's a little cold for spring cleaning, baby. Oh, that's a fine. I'll tell you what, Marty Reader finds himself in the eye of the hurricane right now. Thanks a lot. Oh, there's the corner. Into the corner. What's the hurricane gonna do? Goodness! Oh, that ain't right. That ain't right, y'all. What's he doing?
Got him.
Look out! Oh, bam, bam, bam.
1, 2. He kicks out. He kicks out. It's not over yet.
Hey, folks, don't you boo. That's good tag team wrestling. That's what you do, especially with your brother. There's another cowboy bootleg from Big Robbie Reader. Big in comparison to Marty Reader. That's a leg drop. That's quality. What's he going to do? Not wearing a belt. Very uncharacteristic of the cowboy. He's going up.
He's going for the Texas jump. He's
taking his time. Take your pictures, ladies. Oh! What a pop.
1, 2.
We got another kick out.
No pin, no pin.
Ari Hurricane, tough as they come. Off the ropes in a gentle kind of way. Oh! There we go.
That's what happens
And
when
now
you got 100 pounds on somebody.
awkward pose. Thank you very much. A little bit of kicking.
Reader boys have fought hard, but it looks like they are just outmatched. He's getting tossed like a rag doll.
All right, Hurricane, so strong, so powerful, not even pants can contain him.
He's out.
Is he going all the way up? I sense bad weather headed for Texas.
He's up on the third rope again. Oh!
I think the mask might be messing up his aim. Justice Lad, big boot to the face. Robbie Reader desperately wants a tag. Looking tired, looking beat. Not feeling good.
Now he's just toying with his kill.
I don't know.
Picks him up.
Oh, that's a good old tease. I like that. I don't know what that means exactly.
Oh!
That ain't right, y'all.
This isn't even humane. You think he'd just finish it.
We've got it.
There it is. This could be the end.
Kirk Davis missing the pin. We should have a win there. I don't understand Kirk Davis.
Rest fighting.
Maybe his braids are too tight. He missed that bad. One, two. He's up. Wait a second. What a turn of events. There go the Reader boys. Look at that. That's chicanery. That is undeniable. What a pair of fighters. Don't mess with Texas, y'all. Woo! The Readers are doing fine. Feeling good. Marty and Robin, a couple of winners. Let's hear it one more time for the Reader boys. The crowd not pleased, but it's a win nonetheless. What is this? Oh, Kirk Davis in trouble. What is this? Oh! going to fight nobody. I don't think they know that. We got to get them a manual or a handbook or something. We got a wrestling pamphlet in the bank, please. Wrestling